Hello students, welcome to computer class. Today we are going to read chapter number 2, Computer a Machine. In this chapter we will learn about different types of machines and computer as a smart machine. So let us read. Children, look at these pictures. First is calculator, second juicer, third is fan. These are pictures of different machines. These are pictures of different machines. Machines are man-made things. Now, a man has made the machines, right? We have made the machines, right? They help us to do different types of works. Now machines help us to do many works. For example, there is a calculator. Calculator is used to do calculations. There is a juicer. Juicer is help us to make juice out of fruits and vegetables, right? And fan gives us air, right? Third is all machines have some things in common. Now all the machines have some common things, right? Now first let's see, machines work fast, right? All the machines work fast. Next, machines make our work easy, and also all the machines make our work easy. Third is machines cannot work on their own, means we have to switch on the electricity if it is an electrical device, right? Electrical machine. So we need to help a machine to work. Next is machine saves our time, and also if we are using a machine, it is not time consuming, very fast we'll do the work. It saves our time, right? Most machines run on electricity. For example, washing machine run on electricity. Mixer, that also works with electricity. Next is refrigerator. Refrigerator also works with the help of electricity. Some machines run on fuels. Now there are some machines which run on fuel. We put some fuel and then it works. For example, aeroplane, car. Then there are some machines which work with human power. For example, rickshaw works with human power. Sewing machine works with human power. Now we operate the sewing machine, right? Next, boat, that is also operated by us. Now we have read about all these machines, right? Now let us read something about computer. In same way, like machines, a computer is also a machine. Computer is also a machine. It runs on electricity. It runs on electricity. With the help of electricity, we run the computer. A computer can do many things. Now a computer can do so many things. Computer can do calculation. We can do drawing on computer. We can listen music from computer. We can watch movies on computer. So there are so many tasks that we can do on computer. Now let us see what we can do on computer. I never make mistake. Now see, computer never makes a mistake. if we are giving a correct question to a computer never do any mistake. A computer is a smart machine. I am a smart machine. Computer is a smart machine. I can work very fast. Now a computer works very fast. You give a big sum, a long sum to a computer and it can give answer in a second. So computer is a very fast machine. I never get tired. You can take so much work from computer. For 1 to 2 hours you can continually work on computer. It never get tired. But human beings, they get tired. I can store many things like words, numbers and pictures. Now whatever we do on computer, we can save it on computer. After some days we can use that work again, right? I work when I get order from you. Now here they are saying if we are giving some question, giving some problem to computer, then computer can solve it. If we are not giving command to computer, computer will sit idle. Okay? So we give the commands, we give the instruction to computer to perform some task. Now, as we have read the chapter, let us do the back exercise of this chapter. In the back exercise of this chapter, first question is, a computer saves our dash. A computer saves our time. Next is, a computer works very dash. A computer works very fast. Next is, a computer never gets dash. The answer is tired. A computer never gets tired. Next is, a computer never makes dash. A computer never makes mistakes. Next is, Gary is a naughty mouse. He does not know the function of different machines. Help Gary to match the right machine with the right things. Now here is a toaster. What we can do with the toaster? We can make a toast of a bread slice with the help of a toaster. So you will match the toaster with the bread slice. Next is washing machine. You will match washing machine with dirty clothes because in the washing machine we wash the dirty clothes. Next is juicer. With juicer we make the juice of fruits. You will match juicer with fruits. Next is music system. We play CD in a music system. So match music system with CD. Next is true false. First question is, an aeroplane is a machine. An aeroplane is a machine. Yes, this is true. A computer makes mistakes. Now this is false. A computer never makes mistakes. Next is, machines do not save time. It is false. Machines saves our time. A washing machine runs on electricity. True. Washing machine runs on electricity. Next is, machine makes our work dash. Machines makes our work easy. Next, a dash runs on fuel. Now cycle and computer does not run on fuel, right? So car runs on fuel. Next is, a computer works very dash. A computer works very fast. A computer runs on dash. A computer runs on electricity. Next is one word question. Write the name of any machine. Refrigerator. You can write any other machine. Next is name a machine that works on human power. I have written rickshaw. You can write another machine like sewing machine which works on human power. Next is name a machine that runs on fuel. Car. Car runs on fuel. Aeroplane runs on fuel. Truck runs on fuel. Name a machine that can do many things. Now the answer is computer. Computer can do many things. Next is find the name of the machine used at your home in the given word. Now here you can see the hint. Here the picture you can see, this is a cooler. So you will write cooler, COOLER. Next is this is an ironing machine. You iron your clothes with this machine, right? So this is ironing machine. So you will write IRON, iron. Next is, now what is this? This is a telephone. TELEPHONE, telephone. Now here hint they have given with the picture. We can see this is a lamp, LAMP, lamp. Now what is this? This is a toaster. This is a toaster, TOASTER. Now what is this? This is a watch. What is this? This is a watch, WATCH. Now here select E in the circle next to the machine that runs on electricity and select F next to the machine that runs on fuel. Now we have to see the picture and identify it runs on electricity or it runs on fuel. Now there is a ship. Now ship runs on fuel. Ship runs on fuel. So we will choose F. Next, music system. Music system runs on electricity. Cooler. Cooler runs on electricity. Car. Car runs on fuel. F. Mixer runs on electricity. E. Aeroplane runs on fuel. F. Now what is this? This is a car. What is this? This is an orange. You have to fill the gaps over here. This is a mouse, MOUSE. This is a pizza. This is an umbrella. Right spellings are given here. You have to fill the gaps. Next is truck, TRUCK. Eagle, EAGLE. Rainbow, RAINBOW. I am a dash. This is a computer, COMPUTER. Now this is all about back exercise of this chapter. Complete this back exercise in your book. So that's all about this chapter. Do this exercise in your book. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep learning.